We're a little late on van talk. I normally do it on Wednesdays, but this week has been an absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare. I just put up to do it 7 minutes away from job now. Where do I start with this week? As we know, owning a business, running a business is, in these sort of times, whether it's in this country, whatever, it's an absolute nightmare. Well, anyway, actually, we have to start off. We've had, God, where do I start? We've had job at Bolton, still ongoing, going well. If we just run through that one actually first. Going well. Then one of the lads rang. Had been reported to council, blocking access. I don't know, doing other stuff. Anyway, it turns out that luckily one of my mates is the one who's got lease for that pond next to where it is. So we go through there regular, and then so a woman delivery driver, Diane, dropped some sand off, let you know, take a minute if that, and someone's gone straight up behind her. It's not even, you can see it's like a side road. Started carrying off, so I think, like, rightly so, she's just gave him some back. Next news, reported up council, Howard's way of doing this, that and that. But luckily my mate said they're doing nothing wrong. They've got bars down, they're doing everything by book, so that's just one of them. But anyway, this job through here, where I'm just going now, it's just been like an ever-growing sort of thing. The access, we've been going up the side. See, my dad's ringing now. We've been going up the side. Next to us drive, I think we've had 20 odd, 30 ton of stuff. God knows how many sleeps. I've been back and forwards for these sleepers more times. You can't believe how many times. And then one at my dad's van had to go in, so we were van down. Then get it back yesterday, and then we just loading some stone up from this job. Said that's how I put van down, nowhere to be seen. Like, and then young Chad said, Tom, van's proper smoking, so God knows what we're going off with. Just won't rev up, right, lumpy, horrible. So we've had that. All of a sudden, one of the French bulldogs gone in for a cleft pallet, a hard pallet. They have it, the dogs, but they've got in, put him under, and he's got a lot bigger job than the thought. Like this job in Kimberley, a lot bigger job than we first set off. So we had that's been horrible. I had to keep him in overnight, and this is all while this thing with van's going off. So I've been back and forth to Bolton, and I need to put some petrol in jerry cans for whackers. I thought I'll put 20 quid for diesel in while I'm here. Put it in, driving, come, you see that information light on there. Watering fuel system, service needed. Oh my God, it's just one of them, it's one of them weeks. It's just one of them weeks. So this morning, although this job's trying to get it sorted, I think actually we dropped that we wanted to, something went wrong with one at deliveries and we had to pull off, like, got no done on job. So we've been up this morning. I was supposed to be at Grass Place at 8 o'clock, but we've had to go to garage. My dad's is, we think we've got that sorted. Mine, he says, we'll do it now. Gets it up on lift, cleans filter out. Look at rain. Yeah, fuck it, and rain. Let's not get involved that. I wouldn't be surprised if just a bolt of lightning just blew this van up at this point. It's getting like, you've got to laugh because it's just, you're going to end up crying. Look at this. I was from what my dad's ringing, saying we're in a right state, there's shit everywhere. God. Yeah, so we dropped mine, drop filter off, put it out, right, get it on computer, reset it all, right, drive off. He was packed out, busy. So my dad comes through here, I set off here, come straight back on, light. I thought, my God. So all this while my dad's coming through here, so then I go for grass. They're on break, so I'm just stuck for like 11 till like 11. Gets to job finally here. Look, goes to the top of this fence. You'll see this fence, and it's just all over the shop, this fence. And I'm like, we cannot work to that. I'm gonna have to get some more sleepers. Said to customer, look, I've got to get some more. I don't even care, just pay for them. I've had enough. I hope there's not an accident here, because that's dodgy, this. Oh my God, look at this. Can you see that? Let's get a bit closer. Drains. So we've got like fucking monsoon floods going off, it looks, in it and all. Like, so I just wouldn't be surprised if it was just fire, lightning, nuclear war, anything at this moment. So I gotta go through for them sleep. I've had to go through for sleepers, go for grass. Dogs alright, that's the only good thing, like the dog's alright. And then with this I've got to burn off this half a tank of fuel I've got, because other than that it's siphoning out and just throwing it away. So there's another 70 quid that Swanee. What's point? I gotta get back to these sleepers, but I've nightmare. Took me big Metabo out because we didn't know if that were coming today, so I've not got that. So I'm not going back for it, not got time. We've got rain. It's just been terrible. I mean, the thing is, my dog is, I mean, he's fine, but he's not in this operation had to be done. It were only supposed to be small, and he's not in a good weight, dog at all. Like, he's fine, but he's like messed up sort of thing. Look at that. Okay, now. Maybe like a Noah's Ark just flying at it. Look, he's there. So yeah, we're supposed to be at Marshall's Road, so in Wales tomorrow. Just absolute hell on. Just hell on. Like, I don't even know. Oh, Chad's going away. That's no fault, he's going away, so we've not got him. It's just one of them weeks, you get him in business. So I thought I'd pop on more for an event. Like, I've probably missed several things out as well, but I know these are funny. I saw this, I can't remember the name, it was on Nick Bundy's channel, this Dave that had this Karen customer, and it was just hilarious. Just this story with this customer, it was just, it's unbelievable. So this is it. When they're thinking about having a business, I'll be a landscaper, early in a fortune, you can earn good money. It's like, well, you'd be ready for it, because when it goes wrong like this, serious. And then you're thinking, what am I even doing? Look at that manhole and all, look, can you see it? I bet that's blown up, that. Look at it, stuck up. Water, on a great big hill here, look. So, like I say, I'm going up here. I just wouldn't be surprised if Van just disappeared and I was just there on the road crying in a ball on my own. Thursday, Friday tomorrow, and we won't be beat. That's what I'm laughing about it. It'll never beat me, but this is what you're going to be cut out for, because it'll break many a person. It's not for most people, this. So I'll go, you're good at job, that's fine. Go in, getting your job done, thinking, oh, I should have a business anymore. It's like, no, you need to be ready. Look at these boys, these haven't had a delivery, look. Probably done one, probably gone. Van's probably been flooded down road somewhere, disappeared. But anyway, I'm at job. That's a quick van talk, van rant. We'll upload it. There's another massive wagging way. So that's it. I've had enough. See you later. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Comment, keep following, because it just gets more hilarious, to be fair, doesn't it, as it goes on. So see you all later. Thank you.